Hi, it's Melita here extending a hearty welcome to all of you to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from the Middle East. Heavy rains lash UAE disrupts life. Mangalorean boys shine at the inaugural InSports cricket tournament held in Abu Dhabi. News headlines from Mumbai. Bansanga Bombay holds annual sports day. News headlines from Bangalore. Annual Feast of Infant Jesus Shrine celebrated with pomp and gaiety. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Wilson Oliveira from his musical night held at Brahmawar, a Goan dance from the 73rd Monthly Theatre held at Kalangan, and the song Ye Ye Katrina from Music Masti 2007 held at Brahmawar.
Apurva for Atlan.
The news in detail. Weather in Dubai and the rest of the UAE has changed drastically since Monday, January 14th. Heavy rains that lashed UAE on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday flooded most of the busy streets and disrupted the normal life. The residents woke up on Tuesday morning to witness unprecedented rains all over the UAE with winds reaching up to 45 kilometers per hour. Temperature has dropped to 16 degrees Celsius and the weather forecast has predicted at least 2 inches of rain, which is a near disaster for this desert land. Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah and Abu Dhabi experienced heavy rains on Monday, January 14th. The rains continued to pour on Tuesday and Wednesday too, resulting in waterlogging on major roads in these cities, making office goers and school children almost impossible to reach their destinations. All schools have been shut for 2 days. This is perhaps the first time a desert land has declared a rain holiday. It took some commuters up to 4 hours to reach their offices. Many missed their flights as they could not reach the airport on time. Police had to shut off arterial roads and divert traffic on account of massive flooding. Most school children were seen waiting long hours for the school buses which never arrived. There were serpentine traffic queues seen all over Dubai and Sharjah roads. Most roads had knee-deep water, thus making it difficult for pedestrians to walk. Mangalorean cricketers who represented Smith International Inc. emerged as runners-up in the inaugural InSports Club Indoor Cricket Tournament held in Abu Dhabi recently. The inaugural indoor cricket tournament held at the new premises of InSports attracted several top teams from Abu Dhabi. And Mangalorean boys who played some good cricket there brought laurels to their hometown by making their presence felt at the tournament. Smith International Inc., consisting of all Mangalorean cricketers, scored the highest team total of the tournament, but were unfortunate to lose to the tournament's favourites, Dubai champions ADSB at InSports Indoor Cricket Tournament. In the final, batting first, ADSB set a target of 51 runs in the allotted 8 overs. In reply, SII were cruising towards the target at the midway mark, but for some superb fielding by the ADSP players helped them to stop SII and managed to win the coveted trophy by 17 runs. The Smith International team was captained by Colin D'Souza, and the team consisted of Brian, Clifford, Prakash, Nikhil, Manoj, Nicholas, Kevin and Melvin, who all played a team game, giving a stiff fight against their opponents. Bansanga Bombay is an association of one of the powerful community of South Kanra district who have migrated to Amchi, Mumbai in large numbers in search of a livelihood. The association is dedicated to the welfare of not only its own people but to the welfare of the society at large. Bansanga Bombay held its annual sports meet on Sunday, January 13th. The annual sports day of Bansanga was held at Shashi Manmohan Shetty ground in SM Shetty High School, Powai in Mumbai on January 13th. Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma inaugurated the sports day. Dr. Padmanabha V. Shetty, President of Band Sangha, presided over the function. Manmohan Shetty, Chief Executive Officer of AdLabs, was the chief guest at the valedictory ceremony. International sportsmen Vijay Shetty and Keshav S. Alva were felicitated in the presence of Jayaprakash Hegde, former MLA Karnataka, Sucharita Shetty, President of Dakshina Kannada Jilla Panchayat. Various cultural programs were held as a part of the annual Sports Day celebrations. Infant Jesus Shrine, situated in Vivek Nagar, is one among the oldest Catholic religious centers in Bangalore. Thousands of devotees belonging to different religions throng the shrine every day. The shrine was built in 1979. Later, a new church adjacent to the old shrine was inaugurated and opened for devotees on June 9, 2005. The shrine is known as a place for miracles and divine solace. The shrine celebrated its 37th annual feast on Monday, January 14th with pomp and devotion. We have a report on this. 37th annual feast of Infant Jesus Shrine located at Vivek Nagar was held on Monday, January 14th. Father Bernard Morris, Archbishop of Bangalore, celebrated the Eucharistic Mass along with several priests. Holy Masses in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Telugu were held before the solemn Mass.
तुझो पुत्र मनीस जावन जल्मलो देखून आयच्या दिसा नवो प्रकाश आमचेर फंकलो सोबार नवीन आमी करताव सोबार फ्रिगजे वेताव सोबार संस्थांक आमी वचून आमी देवा लागीं उपकार मागताव म्हाका हो उपकार दी हे म्हाका जाय हे म्हाका जाय म्हूण सांगून आमी कितें करताव ते सावन भेटयताव आनी तशेंच आमचे इरादे कळीत करताव मोगाचे न्हू आमच्या हर एका जिणेंत कश्टांत या दुखांत या खंयच्याच अडचणींत सांबाळले वेळार आमी कितें करीत जाय पयलें वचत जाय वैजांच्या वैजा लागीं तोच जावन आसा जेजू क्रिस्त.
Archbishop in his homily narrated about miracles which have taken place in the life of many who have offered prayers at the shrine. Archbishop said that Infant Jesus Shrine, Bangalore, is the most prominent shrine in the entire metro during the stage program held in the evening.
To pray and come together to pray for the unity in the church. Christ Jesus, on the last day, when he was at the Last Supper, prayed for unity. And he said, Father, as I am united with you, may they be one. He prayed for the unity among all believers. This year, for the unity octave, the theme that is chosen is Pray Without Ceasing. Pray without ceasing.
P.K. Tavakkal, IAS officer and advisor to the governor, and his wife were the chief guests present on the days. The Archbishop honored P.K. Tavakkal. Father Balraj R., priest of the shrine, welcomed the gathering. The Infant Jesus idol was taken around in a procession in which thousands of faithful took part. At the end, the Archbishop blessed the gathering after an open-air benediction. Well, that's all we've had from our news desk today. Now, before we move on to our entertainment bash, let me take a short break here. But don't go anywhere, as we have lots of music and dance programs to enthrall you buffs on the other side of this break. So stay tuned to Daiichi Global Panvision.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of drinks and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬುಯಾನು ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492492417.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Daiichi Global Pan Vision. Now we start our entertainment bash with a song from Wilson Oliveira night held at Makkala Mantapa at Brahmavar and a famous song Ye Ye Katrina sung by Juliet and Melvin at Music Masti 2007 held at Brahmavar. Here we take you into the world of music.
आमच्या बाबा तू सरकारासाय सरकार तू करताय कितें सर्गीची राटा ओल्ड कुशीक दवरून तुवें संवसाराक आयल्यार जातें संवसारी मनशांची कारबारां दीक्षितर तापतेलें तुजें मातें एका दिसाक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुका सविस्तार समजातें आमच्या बाबा तू सरकार आसाय सरकार तू करताय कितें सर्गीची राटा ओल्ड कुशीक दवरून तुवें संवसाराक आयल्यार जातें संवसारी मनशांची कारबारां दीक्षितर तापतेलें तुजें मातें एका दिसाक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुका सविस्तार समजातें विसून काढलेली पोरजा आता कोणांत पडल्या तुझ्या सारक्याचो रसलोलो मोनीस अन्याय करच्यांत बुडला गर्वाहंकारान मनशान हांगा आपलोच फोंड खोंडला आनी उठल्या बसल्याक तुका पुरपुरोन म्हणटा देव तो न्हिदोन पडला तुवें विसून काडलेली पोरजा पाता कोंडांत पडल्या तुज्या सारक्याचो रसलोलो मोनीस अन्याय करच्यांत बुडला गर्वाहंकारान मनशान हांगा आपलोच फोंड खोंडला आनी उठल्या बसल्याक तुका पुरपुरोन म्हणटा देव तो न्हिदोन पडला मागणेर जार उणें जालां परवसो खणला परवसो नाचलो मनीस पातकांत पडला रचलेल्या देवाची ताका विसर पडल्या मनशान आपलोच फोंड खोंडला आमच्या बाबा तू सरकार आसाय सरकार तू करताय कितें सर्गीची राटा ओल्ड कुशीक दवरून तुवें संवसाराक आयल्यार जातें संवसारी मनशांची कारबारां दीक्षितर तापतेलें तुजें मातें एका दिसाक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुका सविस्तार समजातें तुवें पेद्रूचेर बांदलेली सभा हालोंची जात जायते आमच्या भागेवंत मोरयेच्या नांवाकी उलोयता ते नाना ते वांजेलांतली थोडी उतरां विसून पांडे खातात लोकांचे आनी शिकोण बदलून तुजी लोकां मोदें भोंवतात नव्या नव्या पंगडांचे तुवें पेद्रूचेर बांदलेली सभा हालोंची तात जायते आमच्या भाग्यवंत मोरयेच्या नांवाकी उलोयतात ते नाना ते वांजेलांतली थोडी उतरां विसून पांडे खातात लोकांचे आनी शिकोण बदलून तुजी लोकां मोदें भोंवतात नव्या नव्या पंगडांचे परत तरी संवसाराक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुजी स्पर्धा करूंक पुरो तुका डोंट केर पातकां पडलो संवसार तूं नव्यान रुपीत कर ना तर संवसार तूं कर अखेर आमच्या बापा तूं सरकार आसाय सरकार तूं करताय कितें सर्गीची राटावळ कुशीक दवरून तुवें संवसाराक आयल्यार जातें संवसारी मनशांची कारबारां दिक्षितर तापतेलें तुजें मातें एका दिसाक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुका सविस्तार समजातें एका दिसाक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुका सविस्तार समजातें एका दिसाक तूं आयलोय जाल्यार तुका सविस्तार समजातें